The main selling point of the Hot 12i is memory fusion, which is nice, but it has been abused here by using a 2018 16nm Helio A22 chipset rather than using what they talked about on their social media page, which is Helio G85.
That doesn't make no sense.
And it doesn't make any significant difference. What's up guys, it's Michael. Inside the box we have the device, SIM ejector pin, X-Pack card, X-Club dollar card, case, power brick, micro USB cable and earphones. Since this is an entry-level device, I am not expecting an AMOLED display or a high resolution. As long as we are given that 6.6-inch screen, it is all good. We still get the water drop notch with big bezels and chain, not the type on the iPhone SE 2020. Since everyone wants a durable phone, we get a plastic rear with glossy finish that attracts fingerprint smudges. If you are not that person that likes wiping their device every now and then, you can use the included case in the box. The design is on the meh side, nothing exciting about it. Nothing much to expect from the 16nm Helio A22, good for basic tasks and light apps. For the memory fusion aspect, this device doesn't take full advantage of it. It is good for marketing to show people that this feature is here because people like numbers at this price point. The Infinix Hot 12i comes in one storage variant which is 64GB but two RAM options which is 2GB that costs 1,800 naira, while the 3GB version comes in at 67,000 naira, which is the one I have right here with me. Since we have less than 4GB RAM, it is best to run Go and Light apps on the Android version we have here, which is Android 11 with the bloatware driven XOS skin that comes with ads. The 30MP triple camera setup at the rear won't take photos that are sent from heaven. This is an entry level device that the main aim isn't the camera. We have a down-firing mono speaker which is mid and not the loudest I have seen at this price point. With the 5000mAh battery, I get about 7 hours of screen on time since there is no 90Hz refresh rate or a good chipset. Charging takes about 3 hours to fully charge this device with the included micro USB cable and a 10W power brick. This device is not true value for money. You are better off buying the TechnoSpark 8C or the Samsung Galaxy A03. Check out my review of the Samsung Galaxy A13 here or my review on the Samsung Galaxy A23 here.